Chapter 13 of Brave New World by Aldous Huxley develops the complex relationship between Lenina Crown and John, the Savage, and significantly advances the novel's exploration of societal norms, personal freedom, and the nature of love. Lenina, growing increasingly frustrated with John's apparent shyness and her own unfulfilled sexual desires, decides to take a proactive approach in seducing him. Misinterpreting John's restrained behavior as mere bashfulness, Lenina, influenced by her society's encouragement of sexual freedom and immediate gratification, believes that by taking charge, she can overcome the perceived obstacle of John's hesitation. However, she fails to recognize that John's reluctance stems from his deeply held beliefs and values, heavily influenced by his upbringing in the Savage Reservation and his immersion in Shakespeare's works, rather than mere shyness. As Lenina attempts to initiate sex by undressing and approaching John directly, she is met with horror and violence instead of the desired response. John, confronted with what he perceives as Lenina's blatant promiscuity, reacts with disgust and anger, pushing her away and threatening her. He labels her a strumpet, reflecting his conflicting values that are at odds with the world state's norms. In his world, love, chastity, and marriage are sacred. Thus, Lenina's actions, although normal by her society's standards, are abhorrent to him. His reaction is not just of personal repulsion, but of a deeper cultural and moral clash. The incident is a turning point in their relationship, exposing the vast rift between their values. For Lenina, sexual relationships are casual and devoid of deeper emotional commitments, an attitude ingrained in her through her conditioning. For John, influenced by Shakespeare and the culture of Malpace, relationships are profound, sacred, and involve a series of trials and achievements that culminate in marriage. This clash leads to Lenina's realization that her feelings for John might be deeper than mere attraction, potentially even love, a concept foreign and dangerous in her society. The chapter concludes with a dramatic pivot away from the failed seduction, with the arrival of a phone call informing John that his mother, Linda, is dying. This news serves to thrust John back into the complexities of his personal relationships and the impending confrontation with the realities of death in a society where such matters are neatly sanitized and hidden away. Chapter 13 is pivotal in Brave New World, as it addresses the themes of individualism versus collectivism, the nature of relationships in a society that eschews emotional attachment, and the conflict between culturally ingrained morals and societal norms. This confrontation between Lenina and John is not just personal but emblematic of the broader clash between the world from which John comes and the new world order represented by Lenina and the world state. So what did you think about this video? Please leave a comment down below and let me know what books you would like to see in the next video. Signing off, this has been another Bookly Crash Course.